Hi, do you know what a noun clause is? Noun clauses can be difficult. So in this lesson, I'll explain what noun clauses are and how we use them. Let's start from the beginning. Do you know what a clause is? It's a group of words that contain a subject and a verb. An independent clause can be a statement or a question. It can stand by itself. Look at these examples. I know the answer. And do you know the answer? They are both independent clauses. A dependent clause is not a complete sentence. It needs something more. It has to be connected to a main clause. Look at this example. What the answer is. It is not a complete sentence. It can't stand alone. Noun clauses are dependent clauses. They must stand with independent clauses to form complete sentences. Think of a noun clause as a long noun. In this example, what the answer is the noun clause. It is not a complete sentence. This noun clause could be replaced with a single noun, the answer. Look at this example again. I know what the answer is. In this example, the noun clause acts as the object of the sentence. It modifies the verb know. Noun clauses can also stand in the subject position. Here's a well-known expression. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Again, we can replace the entire noun clause with a pronoun. It makes you stronger. Here's another example. What he said doesn't make any sense. Or, it doesn't make any sense. There are 3 types of noun clauses: WH clauses, if or whether clauses, and that clauses. WH clauses begin with question words such as who, what, when, where, why, and how. Here's where it gets tricky. A noun clause by itself is not a question. That's why it does not take question word order. Do not use helping verbs such as does, did, and do in noun clauses. Let's compare a question and a noun clause. What kind of food does he like? This is a question, so we use the helping verb does. Now, look at the examples of noun clauses. I don't know what kind of food he likes. Notice the word order. It is a statement word order, not a question. Look at this example. Do you know what kind of food he likes? This is a question, but the noun clause still follows the statement word order. A noun clause may be part of a question, but it still uses statement word order. Do not say, When we change a yes-no question into a noun clause, we use if or whether to introduce the noun clause. Let's look at a yes-no question. Does he like Mexican food? As a noun clause, we can say, I don't know if he likes Mexican food. Or, I don't know whether he likes Mexican food. Again, be sure to follow a statement word order even if the whole sentence is a question. Say, do you know if he likes Mexican food? Not. And finally, we have that clauses. That clauses follow reporting verbs and certain adjectives. Here are some examples. Everyone knows that English grammar can be tricky. Or, it's clear that English grammar can be tricky. In speaking, the word that is usually omitted. But we still think of the noun clause as a that clause. Everyone knows English grammar can be tricky. It's clear English grammar can be tricky. Let's practice. Complete these sentences by changing the questions and statements into noun clauses. 1. What time did they arrive last night? I don't know. I don't know what time they arrived last night. 2. Do they like their new house? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if or whether they like their new house. 3. My English is getting better. Use the verb believe. I believe that my English is getting better. 4. She was promoted at work. Use the adjective wonderful. It's wonderful that she was promoted at work. Did this overview help you understand noun clauses better? I hope that this overview helped you understand noun clauses better. Keep practicing. See you again soon.